Most people using AI today are producing faster output, not better output. And in many teams, AI is quietly creating a new kind of design depth and tech depth at the same time. The problem isn't AI. The problem is the experience of working with AI. That's what this channel is about. I am Sayed Shahab. I work at the intersection of UI UX, product thinking, and real delivery constraints. And I am building a channel for designers and developers who want to use AI without losing quality, consistency, or control. This is not an AI tool hype channel. This is a workflow and system channel because tool changes every month. System stays useful for years. Right now, most AI usage inside teams look like this. Prompts are random, outputs are inconsistent, one person gets something great, another person gets garbage, nobody knows what the standard is, and nobody can explain why a result is good or bad. So AI becomes a productivity lotter. If you are a designer, you have seen AI generate UI that looks polished but breaks brand logic, accessibility, and information hierarchy. It looks professional until someone tried to use it. If you are a developer, you have seen AI generate code that works today but collapses in maintainability, security, and edge cases. It works until your teammate touches it. That is why teams feel faster, not better. AI doesn't replace bad process, it just accelerates it. It's like giving a scooter to someone who doesn't know the route. Now they will get lost faster. We already have US, user experience. That's how a human experience software. We also talk about DevEx, developer experience. That's how developer experience tool. But now we have something new. People are working with AI as a collaborator inside design, development, content, QA, and planning. And yet, nobody is designing the experience for end-to-end. That's missing discipline is called AIX. Important clarification, AIX is not the experience of AI. AI doesn't experience anything. AIX is the experience of humans working with AI system. How we ask, how we verify, how we control, how we integrate output into real world. If UX is human to software interaction design, AIX is human to AI interaction design. Think of it like a calculator. A calculator doesn't experience math, but we design how humans use calculators. AI is more powerful than a calculator, so the design of usage matters even more. So here's the definitions. AIX, AI experience, is a discipline of designing how humans interact with, collaborate with, and control AI system to produce reliable and high quality outcomes. Not cool results, output you can ship. Because looks good in the chat is not a deliverable. By the end of 2026, AI won't be a tool you try. It will be embedded layers in workflows. Teams either standardize it or drown in inconsistency. The winners won't be the team with the most tools. They'll be the teams with the cleanest operating system of AI. That operating system is AIX. First is intent. What problem are we solving? What decision are we making? What must stay human? Most AI mistakes happen because people skip the intent and jump straight into generation. If you can't explain the decision, don't ask AI to produce the artifact. Asking AI without intent is like calling a taxi and say, drive fast. Then, the second one is input design. Prompt are not messages, prompt are interfaces. Good input design includes constraints, brand voice, structures, examples, exclusion, edge cases. If your input is vague, your output will be random. If you walk in a restaurant and say, give me something tasty, you will get whatever chef feels like. If you order clearly, your chances of getting something usable go up. So don't ask AI, design the request. Third one is collaboration. When should AI generate? When should it critique? When should it compare? When should it ask question instead of answering? Most people use AI in generate mode. That's beginner level. In AIX, AI is not a final break. It's your first draft and your second opinion, and sometimes your toughest reviewer. If AI becomes your final decision maker, then you are not using AI. AI is using you. Fourth is quality and governance. This is where serious work lives. Brand consistency, accessibility, factuality, security, maintainability, edge cases. If you don't have governance, AI became a liability. AI without governance is like a sport car with weak brake. It feels powerful until first turn. Governance is not a restriction, it's protection. Fifth is output integration. Does the output plug into your real pipeline? I'll repeat. Does the output plug into your real pipeline? A design output must translate into components, tokens, specs. A dev output must translate into code, standards, review, test. A requirement output must translate into stakeholders alignment and delivery. If it doesn't integrate, it's not AIX, it's just a demo. And demos are not bad. Demos help you see possibilities, but demos doesn't have to survive reality. Integration does. Does it match your design system? Does it meet the brand? Does it pass accessibility? Does it survive the edge cases? Can your team maintain it? A demo is like a plastic fruit on a dining table. Looks perfect from far. But if you try to eat it, you will break your teeth. And so yes, demos impress people, integration feeds the team, integration shifts. So this channel is going to be very simple. I'll teach AIX using practical workflows for designers and developers. Not random prompts, not tool hype. We will build AIX prompt system, reusable libraries, not one-off. Workflow templates designed to dev to QA. Quality checklist, brand safe, production safe, governance standards so team doesn't collapse under inconsistency. This is for designers and developers who care about shipping quality. If you want shortcuts or you want AI to replace thinking, you won't like this channel. But if you want AI to multiply your craft without destroying the standard, this is exactly for you. Let me end with a summary you can remember in 5 words. Design, collaborate, check, integrate. Design means intent. Design means input design. Collaboration means collaborations. Check means quality and governance. Integrated means output integration. In coming weeks, I'm going to explain each of these 5 steps in detail with real workflows, practical templates you can reuse. If you follow these 5 steps, AI stop being a magic trick and become a professional operating system. See you in the next one. Cut.